Hello, today I'm going to do my idea mini lesson plan. This lesson plan is actually on a 6th grade level. However, my son is in 4th grade. He's the only person I have to do this with. So this is my son Ethan, and he's going to help me today. I'm going to give him the instructions, and then I'm going to pause the video long enough to allow him to do the activity so I can talk about it afterwards. But we're going to start off with my lesson plan. In my lesson plan, what I'm going to have him do is I have got these 4 bowls right here with papers folded up. On the papers in each one of the bowls, I have a word. We start out with bowl 1, 2, 3, and 4. Every word in each of these bowls come together to make a sentence. This bowl 1 has the first word of the sentence, bowl 2 is the second, 3 the third, and 4 the fourth. What he is going to do is take these words and he's going to draw one out of each bowl, of course, and after he gets his phrase that he's going to start off with, he's going to add another word at the end of it. And with that phrase, he's going to use it and create a short story. I'm wanting him to be creative with it, so it may not be something original, it may be off the wall, but I really think that it inspires imagination and creativity. So we are going to go ahead and let him draw these papers now. Alright, Ethan, did you understand what I was saying? You're going to draw a piece of paper out of each one of these bowls, starting right here. We're going to open the paper up and we're going to see what your word is. And after we get all 4 of your words, you're going to add one word to the end of that and create or finish your sentence. That way you can create a story that starts with that sentence, okay? Alright, so draw the first word. Alright, we're going to set that bowl over here. Let me see what it is. In a class, I would actually have the amount of paper for as many students as I have in the class. The first word is my. Let's see if we can see this. Oh, it's backwards on there, but that's the first word. Alright, draw the second word.
Hopefully it's not a dragon. And look what it is. It's a dragon.
Dragon. He saw me write the words. He was hoping that he didn't get that one, but I think it's really neat. So here's the third word.
Now look at this one. What is it? Wait a minute.
Rolled. The dragon, or my dragon, rolled so far. That's what we have.
Hopefully it's not under. Well, hopefully it is under. I think this one is under. Under is the small one, I think.
Were you paying that much attention?
Never mind. I got under.
So, his first 4 words are my dragon rolled under. Now I'm going to pause this and allow him to write this paragraph for me. Or I may talk a little bit while he does it. Alright, Ethan, what I'm going to have you do is what you're going to write, my dragon rolled under, and then you're going to put another word at the end. Do you know which word you might want to put at the end of that before we
No,
start?
I'll think about it.
Okay, go ahead and write the sentence.
Is dragon capital?
No. Now, in a class, what I would do is I would allow them to finish the activity, and afterwards we would go from student to student and let them read their first sentence out loud. For that, I think I would require every student to read their first sentence, but after that initial reading of the first sentence, I would just take volunteers for them to read their paragraph or just tell what it's about. Just a couple of them, because we don't have time. We wouldn't have time for everybody, but I really think that it could become a fun activity for them to do, I think that they would have a lot of fun with it and enjoy it. My dragon rolled under. Yes.
Oh no.
And Ethan is
Oh,
working
you can't read either.
on his.
I missed the N. And you can't read.
Yeah.
Can I put a word before the last word?
No. Put a word at the end of it, and then
Dang
that way you
it.
can write it. Hush. And after I had the students read their paragraphs or stories out loud, I would assess them. I would take them up and grade them. I would probably try to use a rubric to grade. That way I'd keep everything on the right level. But my dragon rolled under dragons is what he chose. So now Ethan is going to write his paragraph.